This year, ISPE named a new International Honor Awards Committee to review nominations and to administer this awards program. This board-appointed committee exists to recognize strategic, volunteer, leadership, and programmatic contributions. We begin with our student poster contest. This contest recognizes outstanding achievement from our student members at the undergraduate and graduate levels. Please join ISPE in congratulating the undergraduate winner for 2013 from Northeastern University, Cassie Stein, sponsored by the Boston area chapter. Congratulations, Cassie. And the winner at the graduate level is Venu Krishnan, University of Delaware, sponsored by the Delaware Valley chapter. The next award is the Roger F. Sherwood Article of the Year, recognizing writing that provides real value to our industry, as published in our own Pharmaceutical Engineering magazine. This year we recognize an article from the January-February edition titled Automating a Manual Cleaning Program in a Multi-Product Biopharmaceutical Manufacturing Operation, co-authored by Gordon Leichter, PhD, and John C. Spohn, CPIP. Please join us on stage. There's John. Congratulations, gentlemen. The awards committee really had a difficult job in selecting this award, the best of the best category, if you will, because there were so many deserving groups, and each one of our affiliate chapters are doing very, very good work. So this year they actually decided to recognize two teams, and I'm pleased to introduce the two winners. The first Affiliate Excellence Award goes to the Pacific Northwest chapter and their Vice President, Emily Stump. Congratulations, Emily. The Affiliate and Chapter Excellence Award is awarded to ISPE China. In 2013, ISPE China launched a comprehensive website in Chinese, developed 2 world-class conferences, and many other significant events. They organized a 4th student chapter and engaged 65 regulatory members from 16 different offices and branches of the Chinese regulatory community in ISPE. Important meetings hosted in China provided ISPE with considerable brand exposure, supporting our mission in that important country and region. Please join me in welcoming the president of ISPE China, Charles Tong. This year, ISPE embarked on several high-visibility initiatives, and one of our newest groups is being recognized as the 2013 Committee of the Year. I'm pleased to present the Committee of the Year Award to the Drug Shortages Initiative team. The ISPE Drug Shortages Initiative represents a renewed effort by ISPE to lead significant industry issues that affect us all. Unfortunately, the Research Initiative Chair, Francois Salon from Johnson & Johnson, could not be with us today. He's at a board meeting and was just unable to join, but he has asked that Steve Mahoney from Genentech please come forward to accept the award on behalf of the entire committee. And today I'm pleased to present the 2013 Company of the Year to an outstanding partner, Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson currently sponsors 149 active, that's not just members, those are active volunteers in ISPE, and they are some of the society's most influential. I would invite Jim Breen and Paul Duramo to the stage to accept J&J's award, but if Rosemary, Eric, Jeff, there are a lot of J&J people, if we could just ask you to stand. Thank you very much for your leadership. It's our pleasure to give you this award. Thanks, Jim. ISPE's most significant awards are the named awards. These awards honor members who dedicated themselves to excellence and service to our industry and to the mission of ISPE. The Max Seals-Yonker Award is our first award. Max Seals-Yonker was an active member, a society leader, and a relentless contributor to ISPE and to our industry. When her family and the ISPE family lost her to cancer in 2005, it seemed only fitting that her memory be honored with an award that recognizes that same commitment to society service. The memory of Maxine Yonkers reminds us that we're all servants and that we're all patients. And moreover, it reminds me that what each of you do to advance medicines and drive the development, production, and delivery of safe and reliable drug supply is simply remarkable. It's my great honor to present the award in 2013 to Jean-Francois Doulier. Unfortunately, Jean-Francois is not able to join us, but we will be presenting his award in April. The next award is the Purdy Award. Richard B. Purdy Distinguished Achievement Award is presented to members who have made significant long-term contributions to the society. It is named after one of the society's founders and most accomplished member presidents. This year, the International Awards Committee is conferring recognition on two of our members who were clearly qualified. The first recipient of the Richard B. Purdy Distinguished Achievement Award is Miss Winnie Capucci. Come on up, Winnie.
I'm not much about speaking about myself. I can only tell you that for me, GAMP is religion. And ISPE is a wonderful family that does so much good for the industry and for the people we serve in the industry. And it's been a privilege to work with all of you. And keep up the good work. And that's all I have to say.
The second Richard B. Purdy Distinguished Achievement Award is conferred on Stephen Tyler, Director of Quality Assurance at AbbVie.
I got some good coaching in the back of the room, and that was like from a regulatory colleague, and it said to walk slowly. So I would love to thank ISPE. I think representing PQLI and ISPE has been a great fortune personally, but it's only because of the greatness of this organization that I've been able to do that. With respect to PQLI, I'd like to thank some people specifically. Everybody needs a wingman, and I have Chris Potter. Everybody needs an advisor, and I have John Barrage. And everyone has a couple of mentors, and I have Chuck Hoiberg and Joe Famulari. And everyone needs a great team, and the PQLI technical team and the leaders are fantastic. So thank you very much.
Our final award is the Joseph X. Phillips Professional Achievement Award. This award is presented in honor of Joseph Phillips, a longtime supporter of ISPE and a leader in establishing the role of ISPE as an industry regulatory integrator. This is a very special award that is not presented every year, and recipients are chosen to receive this award when their service and recognition within the industry reaches unmatched heights. This award has a great deal of meaning to our membership, and it is my great honor to present this year's award to Dr. John Barrage.
This is a very special award. I knew Joe well. I worked with him when he was FDA, when we were at ICH. And as Nancy said, he was a very special friend, a guide, a mentor. And receiving this award in his memory is actually very emotional for me. And I do appreciate those of you who have supported me in enabling me to achieve a few things that hopefully make a difference to the industry, a difference to patients. This is a little like an Oscar ceremony, so please also thank my wife, because I couldn't do it without Eileen's support. She is very precious to me and a wonderful supporter and helper. Thank you, Eileen. And thank you to you. Thank you to you, the membership, ISPE, all the colleagues that I've worked with, and I hope we can carry on making a difference and bringing those medicines to patients. Thank you very much indeed.
And that concludes our awards program. Would you please welcome in his first official duty as the International Chair of ISPE, Damian Green, back to the podium. There you go, boss.
Thank you, Nancy. So it's been a real pleasure to see so many accomplished members and partners doing such wonderful work. And I'd like, again, to congratulate all of our award winners. So if you were recognized with an award today, would you please stand up for one more round of applause?